How to build a relationship stronger than before. When love falters, it often leaves both regret and longing. Many people wonder if getting back with an ex can truly work. The answer is yes, if you approach it with new awareness and effort. A second chance in love can be even more rewarding when both partners commit to building a relationship stronger than before. Did you know you can use simple reverse psychology techniques to make your ex want you back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. 1. Talk honestly about the past. Do not ignore why things ended. Sit down and share openly about mistakes, hurt, and misunderstandings. Honest dialogue clears the air and prevents old problems from resurfacing. 2. Improve communication. Stronger relationships are built on healthy communication. Practice listening without interrupting, express feelings clearly, and avoid assumptions. Even short daily check-ins help create closeness and trust. 3. Focus on personal growth. Use time apart to improve yourself. Whether it's developing new skills, healing emotionally, or becoming more confident, personal growth adds strength to the reunion. Two better individuals create a better partnership. 4. Rebuild trust slowly. Trust cannot be restored overnight. Keep promises, show reliability, and be transparent. Small consistent actions are more powerful than big gestures when repairing broken trust. 5. Create new memories together. Do not live only in the past. Start new traditions, cook together, travel, or explore hobbies as a couple. Fresh experiences remind you both that this is a new chapter, not a repeat of the old one. 6. Respect boundaries. Healthy love allows space. Discuss boundaries around personal time, digital habits, or friendships. Respecting limits shows maturity and protects the relationship from falling into past patterns. 7. Plan for the future. Talk about long-term goals. Where do you want to live? What do you both value most? A shared vision ensures that your reunion moves forward with purpose instead of drifting back into uncertainty. Getting back with an ex can succeed when approached with patience, growth, and honesty. It is not about returning to what was lost, but about creating something new, something deeper and more resilient. By addressing the past, rebuilding trust, and setting a clear future together, you can truly build a relationship stronger than before. Do you want to learn how to get your ex back with this simple, proven reverse psychology techniques that make your ex beg you to come back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.